Who is most likely to make a 167 for that $1 million prize?
Oh, no one. They're going to save it all for me.
Think, Ronnie, Sean, Bruce, Jochong.
Okay, let's go.
Hello， 大家好啊！趙心彤咧，自從攞咗世界冠軍之後咧，就經過幾個月喺中國啦，海量式嘅宣傳啦、商演啦、應酬之後咧，終於回復佳態咧，就可以攞到呢個利雅得錦標賽嘅冠軍啦，而且咧奪冠嘅過程咧係實至名歸嘅喎。咁大家記憶猶新啦，就去喺中國翻去英國嘅第一場比賽啦，北愛爾蘭公開賽4-0比Jordan Brown 大炒之後啦，嗱好多球迷都覺得佢呢次世界冠軍係曇花一現嘅表現嘅啫嚇，咁但係而家終於咧自己證明咗自己有真正嘅實力啦噃。嗱今集篇幅比較長啊，因為咧由於呢個賽事唔係咁多場比賽啦，亦都好多場比賽咧就係深夜舉行㗎，咁所以咧我就由頭到尾咧做一個花絮俾大家睇咯。呢條片所有嘅素材咧都喺5日前開始已經準備㗎啦，咁大家希望咧如果中意呢條片嘅咧，踴躍啲撳 like 俾我啦，因為上一條片咧就反應唔係咁好啊，就係只係咧就收視咧同埋個 subscriber 啦係相約嘅啫，咁啊希望大家幫忙咯喎，咁啊今集咧我仲會講球例嘅喎，因為上一集咧本來我已經講咗㗎啦，但係我就剪咗條片啦，就 cut 咗嘅，因為咧我當時就未有呢個影片嘅素材啦，咁啊呢件事咧就記憶猶新啦，就喺冠中冠嘅決賽啊，裁判嘅 Tatiana 咧就係一個僵局咧，就出手干預咧，就每個球手咧打5 Q 啦，咁啊當晚咧就雖然係深夜啦，就都有幾位圈內嘅朋友 WhatsApp 我嘅，就話點解唔係3 Q 係5 Q 啦，咁仲有都係裁判添啊！咁我留翻最尾先至同大家解釋咯喎，咁啊有埋片啦俾大家睇啦，大家就會好清楚噶啦。咁亦都由於咧就小弟就出片嘅第2日咧就會去順德飲喜酒啊，咁所以咧就下一條片咧就應該就會喺英錦賽之後做一個總結噶啦。咁仲有大家關心嘅奧蘇利雲咧就好耐冇喺我呢個節目出現啦。咁咧，但係佢英錦賽之前咧，就係接受咗 TNT 一個獨家訪問㗎。咁而且呢個訪問咧，就係我出片呢一刻當晚嘅深夜先至喺英國時間播出嘅。咁我就會俾大家先睹為快㗎嚇。咁所以咧，大家睇到最尾啦噃。咁我哋首先就講翻奧蘇利雲喺利雅得錦標賽嘅佢嘅第一場波啦，0-4輸咗俾梅菲嘅。咁亦都係深夜嘅比賽啦，有可能部分嘅觀眾咧就會錯過咗啦。咁但係我用分零鐘嘅片咧就可以交代晒呢場波係點解咧慘敗0-4咯喎。咁心水清嘅朋友咧就其實一開波啦，你就可能會諗到個結果會係點㗎啦嚇。奧蘇利雲一開咗個波之後咧，梅菲就啪一聲係入一個遠台啦嚇。咁整個過程咧，梅菲基本上所有遠台咧就大部分都入晒㗎。甚至啲好黐線嘅窄位扯後啦，都係啪一聲應聲入袋嘅。嗱，反觀奧蘇利雲啦，咁你可以見到佢呢個遠台咧就係似都唔似嘅話。嗱，遠台唔似之餘啦，咁呢個咧就我都打得入嘅黃波咧，亦都係失咗嘅嚇。咁大家亦都可以睇到呢幾段嘅畫面咧，其實你都有聯想到呢場波係發生咗咩事啦？點解0-4會輸俾梅菲啦？嗱，咁喺呢場比賽之後咧，就堅叔對小丁啦，咁堅叔亦都係炒小丁4-0㗎。咁其實呢場波咧嘢咧就係咧我就冇睇㗎。咁但係堅叔嘅賽後訪問啦。咁你就可以知道呢場波大概係發生咗咩事嘅咯喎。咁我哋聽下堅叔點講先。
It was a little bit difficult at the start. I think me and Ding we really struggled with the table. First couple of frames there was no bite on the table, and with maybe me and Ding, we're only about 5'5" each. We really struggle with the table. There's so many, as if it's beer mats underneath the whole table, and it's raised up. It's somebody really needs to get told. It's I don't know who's passed that, but it's pathetic for £1 million tournament. You know what I mean? It really is bad, but I don't know who's passed that.
Yeah. It's when John pointed it out, it's incredible how much has been built up. I can only assume the floor is so uneven that they've had to roll the table up. But you can, as a player, you really feel it, the difference. Explain what you to the people what you mean by no bite on the cloth, because it looked like it was playing all right early, but the air conditioning, is it the cold in the air? Do you think?
Actually, I don't know, Stephen.
No?
I don't know.
But no grip.
No grip whatsoever. Now you could probably see the first couple of frames. I'm trying to stun. Yeah, it's just rolling through now. So it's as if you've really got to.
So you can't stop the cue ball.
Can't stop the cue ball. Well, I couldn't stop the cue ball maybe with my cue action, but maybe some of the other boys will find it okay. Yeah. I think it's the cushions. The cushions were playing really fast, and that makes it really difficult to play on.
嗱喺堅叔呢段言論之後咧 ，WST 亦都係即時作出回應啦。就係話今次比賽嘅高度咧，個台面嘅高度咧就係絕對合乎 WPPSA 嘅規格嘅。咁亦都賽事總監亦都當場咧就度咗俾阿堅叔睇嘅噃。咁亦都話咧，佢哋呢次係派咗最高級嘅裝台嘅人員咧，就到沙特阿拉伯嘅。咁我話絕對信啦 WST 嘅發言啦。咁與此同時，我都亦相信咧堅叔嘅感覺嘅。因為而家球台咧，球例寫得好清楚㗎啦，2尺10寸咧，呢個係 standard 嚟嘅。咁就意味住咧，所有職業嘅比賽咧，其實就係 tune 到2尺10寸嘅。咁但係咧，高低就可以有半寸嘅誤差嘅喎。咁呢個係絕對符合 WPPSA 對球台高度嘅規則嘅。即係話呢個比賽嘅球台咧，如果係低於2尺10寸半咧，咁都係合乎規格嘅。咁但係你知啦，堅叔都話啦，5尺5寸啦，同小丁都係啊。咁其實佢哋嘅感覺咧就係應該就好 sensitive 嘅，因為大家知道堅叔已經喺球壇打滾咗超過30年啦，少少唔同嘅咧，佢一定 sense 到嘅。咁啊，正如好多年前啦，戴維斯啊，一盤波22個波啦，淨係個黃波輕咗啦，佢喺一鋪之內咧，佢就可以發覺到噶啦。咁你睇下一鋪之內你個黃波打咗幾多次咯？咁啊，證明職業球手啦，你有少少差別咧，都會有影響嘅。咁呢個就純粹小弟嘅睇法啦。咁大家認唔認同咧？大家可以俾啲意見我喎。咁跟住咧就對8強嘅比賽咯喎。8強嘅比賽咧就好多都大比數㗎。咁但係有啲數字咧就都幾有興趣同大家分享下㗎。卓林普贏馬叔4-0啦。馬叔咧就全場波咧只係攞到20分嘅啫。咁賽後卓林普都話咧就係未見過一個表現咁差嘅馬叔嘅。另外一場8強嘅賽事亦都係大比數啦，羅拔臣咧以4-0炒咗 Kyren Wilson 嘅。咁而 Kyren Wilson 咧亦都喺整個賽事咧只係攞到26分嘅啫。咁賽後咧就仲俾啲小嘅傳媒咧。就係話佢只係花咗44分鐘咧，打咗10個波咧，就可以攞到5萬磅嘅獎金啦，真係收入甚豐㗎噃。另外一場嘅比賽咧就係趙心同對梅飛啊，呢場波係精彩到不得了㗎，兩位球手都發揮得好好啊。咁梅飛就好輕鬆贏咗第一局之後啦，第二局咧第一個紅波咧佢就非常有風度㗎。自己打咗一個 push 啦，球證睇唔到㗎，咁佢就係自己申報啦。咁申報咗呢個 push shot 之後咧，咁趙心同都唔客氣，打 Q 62咧就取勝㗎。咁第三局亦都係 toe to toe 啊，梅飛打 Q 57啦，趙心同打 Q 69致勝㗎。咁雖然呢場波嘅賽果係4-2啦，但係咧趙心同贏得一啲都唔容易㗎。兩位球手啦。冇一位值得輸嘅呢場波。好快又到4強啊！4強咧，趙心同亦都係好艱辛㗎。卓林普嘅表現亦都係非常之好啦。咁啊，真係一場真真正正嘅5-5波啊！大家每人打咗1Q century 㗎。 咁話明5-5波咧，當然要用決勝局去分勝負啦。咁決勝局咧，趙心童咧就係比較幸運嘅一方咧，就係贏咗㗎。咁另外一場4強咧就係羅拔臣對艾倫啦。咁當然啦，當日嘅發揮羅拔臣係比較好啦，就贏咗艾倫4-1㗎。咁喺我頭殼頂而家就播緊係第5局嘅比賽啦。當時咧艾倫落後3-1之後咧就冇得輸㗎啦。咁啊積極咧就係搏佢嘅167啊 Golden Ball 啦。咁啊打到72分啦，89-72啊，即係第9個黑柴啦。佢就走失咗位嘅，就夾硬打個紅波打失咗啦。咁現今嘅職業球手啦，當兩強對決嘅時間咧，你攞72分啦，係唔夠使嘅喎嚇。羅拔臣咧就係回應翻 Q73清台啦，就贏埋呢第5局㗎。咁大家可以睇下呢盤波啦，好精彩㗎！特別係咧最尾嘅時間咧，握手嘅時間，艾倫嗰種風度咧，我係好中意睇呢啲畫面嘅噃。跟住就到決賽啦，決賽咧亦都係非常緊湊嘅。頭2局1-1啦，大家都爭持得好激烈㗎，5-5波啦。咁啊，雖然咧大家都知啦嚇，最後咧就趙心童打咗2 Q century 啦，但呢2 Q century 咧，我係覺得唔係賽事嘅關鍵嘅。趙心童致勝嘅關鍵咧，其實喺第3局㗎。咁當時羅拔臣咧就係想 attempt 呢個167嘅，就打到48分啦，第6隻黑波咧就走失位啦。咁就冇辦法咧，就防守啊！咁但係咧揸住48分嘅羅拔臣咧就係非常之保守嘅打得。咁我記得當其時嘅637評述員啊，大師兄陳偉明先生啦，佢係講咗一句説話咧，就非常之到位嘅，就話你打得安全咧，有時咧就會好危險嘅。咁呢盤波咧，陳偉明咧就係講中晒羅拔臣嘅心態啊！講中晒呢場波嘅要點啊！阿羅拔臣就好積極咁樣防守，想打爛盤波咯。咁就正係因為呢個原因就放生咗趙心童啦。因為咧，我覺得兩位球手喺頭2局都係緊張嘅，趙心童都係緊張啦。咁但係咧呢個防守大戰咧就係俾趙心童有好大嘅舒緩嘅空間咯。咁而且咧，趙心童喺途中就係做咗2個好出色嘅防守啊！咁你叫趙心童咧就打入一個遠台窄位攞信心咧，佢攞得唔係好多嘅啫。但係趙心童如果 set 咗2個咁靚嘅防守咧，對佢嘅信心咧就係加強好大嘅。咁啊講翻少少我同趙心童之間嘅日事啦。咁有一件事咧，11年咧我係歷歷在目嘅每一句説話。咁當其時咧就喺亞聯酋嘅世青啊，2014年啊。咁趙心童咧就係第一次係衝出國際嘅，佢係打咗2年世青㗎啦喺大陸。咁啊第一次咧就喺國際亮相咯，咁係非常之亮麗嘅個表現嚇。去到4強咧，咁我就係做咗Hosing Five 嘅一場4強啦，咁就好快脆打完啦。咁我就睇趙心童啦，就睇到決勝局啦。咁當其時決勝局咧，就趙心童就要2隻啦，對手愛爾蘭嘅 Judge Blue 咧，只係打1隻就搞掂㗎啦。咁當其時咧，趙心童咧就係啪一聲播一隻窄位啊，指住個黑嘅，但係呢個乒波唔入咧就留袋口啦，咁樣輸咗一場4強嘅。咁賽後呢位愛爾蘭球手嘅教練啦，都係我好朋友嚟嘅 PJ Nolan 啦。諗佢以為我哋喺中國咧，即係我係 Hong Kong China，佢以為係一樣嘅。咁佢就話 Stanley 啊，你同你嘅球手講下啦。佢係我繼奧蘇利雲之後見到嘅最有天分嘅一個球手嚟嘅。但係你同佢講啦 ，no safety, no trophy， 即係話你唔打防守咧，你就冇可能攞到冠軍嘅。咁當然啦，我係第一年識得趙心童啦，咁我就唔會話扮晒老屎忽咁同佢講啦，又唔係太熟啊。咁我就叫阿李安小姐同佢講嘅。咁啊，李安小姐對我嘅回覆咧就話：我同佢講咗啦，佢話咧我要打入一個咧好難打嘅窄位 long pot 咧，係容易過我做一個好靚嘅防守好多嘅，所以我就選擇呢個打法啊。咁當然大家都知啦嚇，2016年啦，趙心童就係揸住呢個打法咧就進軍職業啦。咁但係2年佢就燉咗出嚟㗎啦。 咁啊好彩2018年嘅 Q School 咧，佢即刻彈翻入去啦，以 Q School 呢個名額啊。咁所以證明咧，呢位教練係講得好啱嘅 ，no safety, no trophy。咁當然啦，趙心童喺呢幾年之後咧，就努力咁練佢嘅防守啦。咁啊，大家可以睇到，雖然未達頂級啦，但係趙心童嘅防守咧係進步咗好多好多嘅。大家透過呢個花絮咧，就應該就係感覺到趙心童咧呢個冠軍咧，亦都係實至名歸㗎。咁賽後亨特利亦都話咧，係未見過一個咁出色嘅球手嘅。佢認為趙心童保持呢個打法狀態啦，佢係可以將來係領導桌球嘅。咁英錦賽咧就而家打緊外圍賽啦，咁正賽咧就快開始㗎啦。咁 TNT 亦都係捉住呢個機會啦，因為奧蘇利雲嘅人生第一個冠軍咧就係英錦賽啦。咁係做咗一個詳細嘅專訪啦，就會喺我出片呢一晚嘅英國時間喺 TNT 播出㗎。咁當然咧亦都漏咗少少風聲出嚟啦。咁好詳細呢個訪問啊，甚至佢細路仔嘅時間都有講啦，就係話佢媽媽係唔贊成奧蘇利雲打波㗎，唔好話職業啊，甚至係業餘啦。都唔贊成㗎嚇，最主要咧就係學業啦。佢媽媽講嚇，但係奧蘇利雲嘅爸爸咧就係、使撚讀書咩？我會塑造佢成為一個咧出色嘅職業球手啊！咁奧蘇利雲亦都透露啦，佢當其時決賽贏咗亨特利啦。咁佢話亨特利咧之前4強咧打咗好多 Q century 㗎，咁佢贏到亨特利咧都係符碌嘅啫。因為當日亨特利咧係完全發揮唔到啦，咁佢都唔知道自己咧有今時今日嘅地位嘅。咁奧蘇利雲亦都有透露咧，佢而家嘅目標係乜嘢咧？不如大家聽下佢自己親口講啦。
Never been driven by records, but once you get a record, you then kind of go, oh, that was nice, you know, it means something. I think Hendry's records were so far and the numbers were so big at one stage that you just can't even let your mind go there. It was only once I equalled it, I was like, oh, I've equalled his record. Like, and then it meant something. And then when I beat it, I was like, oh, I beat his record of like major tournaments. And then I kind of, I beat that one, I've got that, you know. And so then obviously the only one left now is obviously to beat how many world titles he had, which is 7. And I'm not that driven by it, but I think at this stage of my career, if there is something that's going to motivate me, it will be to try and maybe win another one.
嗱，咁足本嘅訪問咧就喺25號嘅英國時間晚上先至會播出㗎。咁如果仲有咩最新嘅爆料咧，咁我就會盡快同大家分享㗎。咁啊講下球例啦嚇，就講翻咧冠中冠嘅決賽咧有一個 stalemate 咧僵局嘅事件啦。咁話說當時咧沙比咧打一個接 shot 啦，打唔入之下咧就紅波咧就留喺一個必入嘅袋口位啊。咁啊當然啦，大家都掂啦。咁途中咧就大家各有一個犯規，我唔講啦。咁另外咧途中咧Tatiana將一個溫馨提示俾兩位球手啦，就叫佢快啲咧將呢個僵局化解啊。咁但係就冇話限每人打幾多 Q 嘅，只係一個溫馨提示嘅啫。咁呢個我都唔講啦。咁啊去到大家掂咗10幾 Q 之後啦，咁其實 Tatiana 咧就有講明嘅，因為呢個分數嘅差距啦，所以而家我俾你哋每人打多5 Q 啦。咁啊希望呢個局勢有新發展啦。如果唔係我就會 retract 呢盤波嘅。Tatiana 係有講明咧，因為呢個分數嘅差距咧。所以我係每人俾你哋打多5 Q 嘅，咁不如我哋聽下佢自己演繹啦噃。
Okay, Mark Judd, five shots each due to score difference, giving you 5 shots each to develop. 5 each.
嗱，因為喺職業嘅比賽咧，40分嘅差距係一個非常之大嘅差距嘅。咁我亦都未見過啦。有40分嘅差距，球證會干預啦。呢個波係一個僵局啊！咁我自己都上咗一課啊！當個分數係相差咁大嘅話咧，就唔係一定咧就要你跟球例嘅指引就3 Q 啦，每人打多5 Q 啦。咁呢個説法咧就非常之合理啦。咁而且你可以睇到啦，卓林普係冇異議啦，沙比亦都係好舒服㗎嚇，每人打5 Q 啊！ 咁最後我亦都借呢個機會多謝 Now 嘅637啦，就為我哋播映咗2場啦資格賽嘅賽事啦，就香港嘅對決啦。咁就正賽咧，就 Now 亦都會全程直播㗎，咁我哋一齊睇波啦。2個禮拜之後我哋再見啊！今日講到呢度，拜拜。